Hey guys, it's Elise and I hope that you guys are all doing well. I'm back with another Amazon Prime wig video. So this wig does come from Unice and I will leave all the information and details in the info section below, as well as a discount code. So in case you guys are interested in saving an additional 10% off of your purchases, use discount code LOVEUNICE to be able to save a little extra cash. So here is the wig that I have, and this is their T-part wig in that Balayage ombre FB30 color. And once again, this is their T-part wig, and I decided to pick this up because it is super simple for those of you guys who are beginners, and I've never had one before. I just wanted to see how I'd like it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So because this wig doesn't have a whole lot of parting space, I decided to pull out my Perfect Line knot and grid concealer just to be able to conceal the knots. And there's not a whole lot of lace on this wig, so there's really no point for you to bleach the knots. And I find that this is super easy and efficient for those of you guys who don't necessarily know how to bleach your knots, or you don't necessarily have the patience nor the time nor the care to bleach your knots. So if you really want to get that realistic looking scalp appearance on your wig, go ahead and get yourself some of this Perfect Line grid concealer. The color that I have is in the color Mitch, and they have a variety of different colors for different skin tones. I'll leave a link below in case you guys are interested. I went ahead and applied that to the parting space, and it doesn't transfer or anything like that. And yeah, so right now I'm just going to flat iron this hair straight. Once again, this wig is in that, it's almost like a yaki straight texture. It's not super silky, but it's not super, coarse or anything like that. It's kind of in between. It kind of reminds me a lot of relaxed hair. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and press this wig out, and yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm finished. So this is later on that same day. I went ahead and I got dressed, put on a little bit of makeup, and here we are. This is what the wig looks like. You guys do notice that Perfect Line grid concealer. Now, if you guys do choose to remove it from your wig, you can do so safely by just using some hot water, or you can use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. It should be able to remove from your lace safely without damaging or anything like that. So now I'm putting on my stocking cap, and I just like to tuck my braids in the very back of my stocking cap just to kind of give me that flat surface so you don't notice anything bulging out or any lumps or bumps or anything like that. I just like my wigs to look super flat all the way around because I do not know how to braid in the beehive. I'm trying to learn, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on. Now my first impression was that this wig is super tight. Like, I was like, yeah, this is gonna work. But once I cut off the lace, I noticed that it began to loosen up a little bit. So you guys don't be alarmed. This wig literally is tight because of the lace around the forehead area. I think it's hanging down a little too low. So once you cut that lace off, you're going to feel a sense of relief, because I was just like, this wig is way too small for me. But yeah, cut off the lace and you will be in business. But right now I'm just using an alcohol wipe to kind of tone down the parting space, because I noticed it looked a little weird. Like, it looked kind of lumpy and bumpy, and I wouldn't necessarily want my scalp to look like that. But if you take like a little bit of alcohol, you can be able to clean that up and smooth that out to make it look more realistic. And you guys get into this wig. Now I would recommend this wig for someone out there who prefers a very simple looking style, because I do know that the trend is like baby hairs, and then you have like the little swoops and swirls and things of that nature. I realize that a lot of you guys out there do not prefer that look, and I get it. I get it. It's something that a lot of the younger girls do. But once again, this is definitely a wig for someone who wants something super simple, just a straight middle part, no baby hairs. It just looks very polished, clean, and classic. Also, this is a wig for those of you guys who don't want to spend the extra cash on a super expensive wig. Or if you're like myself, I do not have the patience, so I prefer to order my things from Amazon. I can get it like literally either same day, next day, 2 days, you know. So, you know, shipping all the way international is going to take you a couple of weeks or so. But once you get it from Amazon, like next day. But yeah, once again, you guys do check out Unice. They are available on Amazon Prime. I'll leave all the information in the info section below. Use coupon code LOVEUNICE to save 10% off of your purchases. Let me know what you guys think about this wig, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.